vegan laksa paste, a big tablespoons in there. And oil. Australian extra virgin oil. If my sisters, because you know, like my sisters and Polly, they don't eat garlic or onion, so we don't put any garlic or onion. But normally we would put garlic and onions in here. I have got the noodles, which I soak, and I'm going to put normally they're already cooked already from overseas. Now with the noodles, there's so many different brands. You know, you can get so many brands. You can use whatever brand that you like to use. But I have asked my sister and everybody, and then is that too hot?
We're having rice vermicelli, yellow, gold, brown.
They're from Vietnam. And I put the if you miss out, I put this tuna fish in there, and now I'm just going to break them up.
This is the Thai lime, or the Makrut.
Yeah, Makrut, by Makrut.
Thai Makrut, which is the very nice fragrance, and it's got a double leaf.
I chop up the potatoes. I'm going to put the potatoes in there first because the potatoes takes longer to cook. And the carrots is not just for the sweetness, it's also for the colors as well. When we actually do our curry, it's very, very important that we choose the right coconut cream. That one, the coconut milk, we can actually use them for like the jelly. And this one also, I like to use them for jelly as well.
That's coconut cream, that one.
That's coconut cream, but the best one for the I'm not quite sure you have got this brand at home. This is the best one for the curry. Now I'm going to put the carrots in. There's purple potato, which is white outside, and that's a red purple potato outside and white inside. And this is the daikon. So I'm going to put all of them in there.
Daikon.
The daikon.
We had a session on that, making the famous radish cake.
This is actually 3 weeks old. It's the outside, it looks a little bit thingy, but the inside still looks okay. And this is the white potatoes, white outside, the purple inside. This is the purple outside, white inside. The coconut cream that I have left, that left over from making the that was in the fridge. This morning I made the jelly. So I'm going to put this one in. You can actually see how it actually turned out beautifully. It's a soup. It's okay to put lots of waters in there. So I rinse this one. I don't like things to be wasteful. Once you actually have chopped your vegetables and everything, it's very quick. And that's why, you know, like vegan or vegetarian, it's so easy to make. You can freeze them as well. So I just have the tiny little bit of soy sauce left, so I just put everything in there. And once it's actually in there, I am going to put the lid on. And when it boils, then I'm going to put mushroom and the tofu. Food that already been fried. In Cabramatta in Australia, they have this shop where they have already, you know, have this shop that only sell tofu and bean product fresh.
When you buy it? When?
Yesterday. So I bought 4 bags. Oh, here. I bought 4 bags and I put them in the freezer.
See what the master's taster says about the tofu.
I'm going to put
How
the
is it,
tofu
Tom?
in.
Nice.
Nice, yeah, there we go.
you pick them up. You can either pinch them or you can put a tiny little bit.
See whether it's al dente.
Because in Laos when we cook, we ask everybody's opinion. We don't pretend to be expert. You know, we want everybody to be involved. You know, we get people to test and see, okay, if we need salt or we need sugar or we need, you know, to be cooked longer, or that's it. So that smells really, really beautiful. I'm going to close the lid again.
Keeping the water.
By keeping the water for the garden, we have got this bucket of in the kitchen where we take the water outside and use them in the garden. So no questions.
Now we don't wait, we meditate.
Yes, that's right. We don't wait, we meditate. See? Boiling.
So even the potatoes don't take too long to cook, right?
Yeah.
You cut that small.
Thank you. So with the potato, if I don't have time, you know, or I know that I only have 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I will cut them small. Here, people with the coriander, I washed them already. I have already washed the coriander and everything. Normally in Laos or in Thailand, we do not throw this end away. This end, it's said to be have lots of goodness. It's much better. Not just the flavor is stronger. It's also have the goodness is actually also in and close to the root as well.
And you can plant those in the garden as well, those roots.
Yes.
And away you go, you get a new coriander plant.
They will pick the yellow one and throw them away as well. But for me, I think it's actually too wasteful. Too wasteful. You know, the yellow one, like the season change, the autumn. Like the autumn leaves.
It's interesting, I didn't know. So in future I can use the yellow leaves too.
Yeah, because the yellow leaf is just as beautiful. You know, and we can consider it as the like I said, autumns. You know, the color change. Yes. Because we normally we are very wasteful, right? You know, like if it's got a hole, we throw them away. If it's yellow, we throw them away. Yeah. Very wasteful.
Having a hole in the leaf is a good sign because it means there's no chemicals on there that have killed the bugs. So you can say, please don't panic, it's organic. Yeah, this is starting to smell all right now.
So you can actually see it's really, really, really boiling. And the potatoes is actually already cooked. I'm going to turn it down. I'm going to add the mushroom, and after when I add the mushroom, I'm going to add another can of coconut cream, and that's it, I'm done. When we shake them like this, it's because my hand is nice and warm, and I just go around and give it a nice shake. It's good exercise, good workout. Give them a nice shake, wake them up, and I open them up. That's it, I'm done. So this is what the laksa looks like. Yeah. It wasn't salty, so I'm actually add some salt. That's it, that is Ling product. Normally, really honestly, if the Lao people, when they look at the laksa looking like that, they would say that it's not, what's the word? They will not give me 10 out of 10 because it's supposedly it needs that thick, that thick of the oil on top, past the colors have to be really red. This one, the colors is yellow. Pauline doesn't actually eat chili, so we have to consider that Pauline doesn't eat chili, so we just put with that big pots like that. I only put 1 tablespoon. I only put 1 heap of these spoons in there, and you can actually see the colors. It's very lightly yellows, and it's not hot. But if you actually make it for your, if you like hot, then in this pot, in this side pot, I would at least put 3 of these in here. Yeah. So 3 spoons would be actually.
Not only the Laksa would go red, but my face also.
And Tom's head also go red as well. Now, because I use carrots in here, normally in the restaurant, people would put either palm sugar in here, or they would put sugar in here to make them nice and sweet. But I don't put sugar in my cooking at all. I would either use dates like Beatrice, or I use carrots to sweeten things. Yeah. And that is actually the bowls in there, and we add, there it's got cucumber, got carrots, got lettuce, and there's snake beans, and bean sprouts goes in there, the noodles. I have learned that I have to put things down before I can actually use my other hands. So you put this one on top like that, and you sprinkle some greens on top, and you have got these lettuce. You stir them up. And you get all different things in here. You got some different colors of white, some green. This is the finished product. Smells beautiful.